Discussion strategies practice. So we gotta select a discussion to practice, and there are 5 scenarios available, but let's just do scenario 1. Push OK.
Hello everyone.
Hi, how's it going?
So you can see that the video began automatically, and you can also see that there is a table of information available that you should check. Do you remember what the person said? Let's replay.
Hello everyone.
Hi, how's it going?
So she said, how's it going? How's it going? This is a how question. So when we're ready, we can push speak now. Pretty good, thanks. And if I want to re-record my sentence, maybe I had a pronunciation error, I can re-record my sentence, or I can delete my sentence. Anything is okay. But if I'm satisfied with this, I can push the purple button, check example answers. Okay, no problem. I did a pretty good job. Go to the next video.
All right, the reason we're meeting today is to choose a candidate for the new engineering position. Jennifer has interviewed the candidates, so can you please begin by telling us about the applicants?
Well, the first candidate that I would like to talk about is Lisa. She interviewed extremely well, and she seems to have the exact skill set that we need for this position.
Well, we do need an experienced electrical engineer who can use CAD software. Based on all the information, what do you think?
All right, so they were talking about Lisa, and they pointed out some good details about her. And then he said, what do you think? So probably I should give my impression about Lisa compared to the other 2 people on this table. When I'm ready, I can push speak now. Well, I think Lisa seems like a great candidate. She has a master's degree where the other 2 candidates only have a bachelor's degree. Additionally, you said that we need an electrical engineer, and she has 10 years of experience, so that's a great idea. Additionally, you said CAD software might be important, and all candidates have CAD software experience, but especially Lisa has CAD software experience. All right, so I have 3 phrases here, and if I want to check to make sure that they're okay, she has 10 years, that's, look, I have a pronunciation mistake here, CAD software, so I might want to re-record this sentence. You said that CAD software would be important, and Lisa does have experience with CAD software, so I think she might be a good candidate. Oh no, it said CAD software again, so I can record the sentence. You said that CAD software might be important, and Lisa does have experience or skills with CAD software, so I think that she would be a good candidate. Okay, if I'm totally satisfied with everything I've said, I can push the purple check example answers, and I can see that, oh yes, I do think she would be a good candidate, and so do the example answers. So I gave a really good answer, I think.
I see. Clearly, you are both keen to hire Lisa, and I must agree, she does seem to be the best candidate. Unfortunately, though, we also have to consider the budget.
What is the hiring budget for the new candidate?
The Human Resources Department told me that, in principle, they don't want us to spend more than 7 million yen per year. However, they'll allow us to pay up to 8 million yen if we find an exceptional candidate. They'll never allow us to pay more than that, though.
I didn't consider the budget when setting up the candidate interviews. What can you tell us about their requested salaries?
Did you catch what they said HR said about the budget? Well, they said that about 7 million or 8 million is what they would like to give for a salary. And we can see the salary ranges here on the table. So, when you're ready, you should push speak now. Oh, okay. HR said that they will only pay 7 or 8 million yen a year. Unfortunately, Lisa has a requested salary of 10 million yen a year, so I'm afraid she's out of our budget. The other two candidates, Carl and Diane, both requested a salary less than what HR recommended, so I think that maybe we should consider either of these candidates. Okay, so I can check and see if my pronunciation was okay. And I think that the computer caught my words, so maybe this is fine. So I'm going to check example answers. Yep. Okay, yep, she's talking about 10 million a year and Lisa is too expensive. So I think I gave a good answer. I can go to the next video now.
Oh, well, that's too bad. I'd really like to hire Lisa, but I don't think it would work for us budget-wise.
I agree. It's unfortunate because she is the best candidate. Well, anyway, how did the other interviews go?
Well, the other two candidates interviewed fairly well. They're experienced and they both came off as quite clever too. I think either one of them would be acceptable for the position.
I see. Let's talk about the skills and experience they have that would be the most beneficial to us then.
Well, the ability to use Office software would be useful. However, I don't think mechanical engineering experience is relevant to this position.
All right then. Help us out now. Who do you think we should hire?
Okay, so listening to what the two speakers said, they talked about experience and skills. They mentioned that Office software would be important and mechanical engineering wouldn't really be relevant. So, based off of their information and based off the information in the table, I should give my opinion. Well, it's a difficult decision, but in my opinion, Diane might be the best choice. You said that Office software is very important for this job, and Diane does have that skill. Additionally, Carl has 20 years experience as a mechanical engineer, which is amazing, but it seems, based off of what you said, that mechanical engineering is not particularly important for this job. So, based off of that, I think Diane, who has 5 years experience as an electrical engineer, plus 3 years of training in that field, and she understands CAD software and Office software, I think that she might be the best candidate for us. Okay, let's check my pronunciation and make sure it caught everything that I said. I think this is okay. So I'm going to see the examples. Oh, the examples also say that Diane might be the best. Oh, they talked about salary. That might have been a good thing to mention, right? Maybe if I were to try again, I would have said that her salary is within the limits. I might have also talked about the education, right? Diane seems to have gone from a top-ranked university, and Carl was from a mid-ranked university. So that might also be another way that Diane stood out. Whatever evidence or reasons you can provide, the better your opinion and your answer will be.